Is it biblically right for us to keep saying exactly what we want in life until we get it? For example, a Christian confessing that he will get married or achieve some career success before a particular age. Or should we just trust our Father that is more than able and will give us every good thing that we need in life? One feels like active living, while the other seems like passive living. What is the place of confessions for Christians? I will appreciate your opinions, mid-noon, sir.
I know there is a school of thought that has promoted confession and affirmation as a way of getting what you need in life.
Right.
The motivational speakers of this world
Right.
stand by that. And there is a film and a book that was written that is called The Secret. So
Right.
Secret. They profess that as well. And Christians have done that. There is a little bit of truth in that, because the power, there is a power, the power of life and death is in the tongue. But it's not to the extent that people have professed it to be. It is not the thing that you say that comes to you. Doesn't come to you because you say it. It comes to you because as the more you confess it, or the more you say it, maybe the more you eventually believe in it. It is not the confession that gives you the answer, but the ability to believe in what you are saying.
Right.
So I don't believe in confessing what I don't. I go the opposite. I first of all make sure that I confess it to myself inside, not outside publicly. Until I believe it, I don't confess it. So because even if I don't, like for example, what I'm saying about Nigeria and everything I'm saying, it's not that I'm confessing it so that I will believe it, or I'm confessing it so that it will come to pass. No, I'm not confessing it so that it will come to pass. I'm confessing it because I know it will come to pass. And not just that I know it will come to pass. I've already worked out the plans. I've already worked out the logistics. And the reason why I'm confessing is just for other people out there to know that something is coming. It's to help other people or to bring other people on board to be able to be a part of the movement. That's it. And it's not because the confession itself will create something. Nothing is get created when you talk. It gets created only when you believe and you are able to work on what you believe and work out a plan and a strategy, and and be able to then go to work physically to really accomplish it. So the confession and affirmation itself doesn't give you anything. It works for people who don't believe in themselves. It works so that you begin to believe at last. So if you don't already believe, you have problem with believing, when you say it, you might begin to believe at last. When you say something for so long, you might begin to believe. But I don't believe in that formula. I believe in it that it can work, but I don't follow that formula myself. I first of all go to my secret place. I first of all isolate myself, work on my mind, work on my renewal of my mind, repeat that upon to myself in my privacy, in my privacy of relationship with God. I envisage that, I meditate, I make sure that it has become part of me before I even open my mouth in the first place.
Thank you, Pastor. So I learned three things from you now. Instead of just a confession, you said we should believe, we confess, and then we draw out our plans, or we map out the strategies to make it work.
After which action must follow.
Okay, so believe, confess, and then action. And
believe,
confess, take steps,
plan. No, action. No, you have to you have to map out the strategy,
okay.
plan, draw out the sketch,
okay.
the plan, and then you go into implementation.
Oh, wow. And the Bible, of course, you are speaking in line with scriptures. Paul says, we believe, therefore have we spoken. It's not the other way around. It didn't say we spoke so that we can believe. It says we believe, and therefore we speak. Thank you very much, Pastor. So believe, confess, map out your strategy or plan, then take action.
Yeah, because Jesus said that anybody that wants to go and take a city must first of all sit down. Stop, sit, do calculations. So stopping, it means that don't just, by faith do anything. Sit down, do your calculations, see something in this, in your mind first, because every house is built by wisdom, and wisdom is the ability to see in the invisible realm, in your mind. When it's just like an architect. Every house is built twice. It's first of all built like an architect builds it in his mind. He sees it and then puts it in the paper. That's the strategy, the plan. before now the laborers comes and just put bricks and all that. So
Wow.
that's how life is as well.